Welcome to using SACS e-resources. This tutorial will focus on the Facts on File database. The purpose of this lesson is for high school SACS students to proficiently use the Facts on File database for research. By the end, students should be able to locate the Facts on File database on SACS library webpage and discern Facts on File database topics according to their needs. The first step is to go to www.edline.net/pages/SACS. Once on that web page, look at the right side. There will be a section titled Content, which houses groups of links and folders. Then find the link titled Middle School, High School Library and click on it. Once you select the Facts on File link, which is again on the right-hand side under the Links house, you will need to sign in. The username and password are the same for every database on the SACS webpage. The username is SACS, S-A-C-S, and the password is Lions, lowercase L-I-O-N-S. Once you have logged onto the database, you will see several general topics. This tutorial will only investigate 3 of these topics: science and mathematics, geography and culture, and career and education. Let's start with the science and mathematics topic. As you can see, once you open the page, there are several resources. There are e-learning modules, videos and animation, interactive experiments, featured diagrams, and even featured people. To the right, you can browse resources, topic centers, and even explore science in the news. Now let's return to the main page and look at the geography and world culture topic. On this page, you can research country facts, maps, illustrations, culture, news, and even compare cultures and countries based on various statistics. Again, let's go back to the home page for our last topic. For our final topic, let's explore the Ferguson Career Guidance Center. This resource can help you explore industries, careers, can help you plan your education, your future education, and get a jump start on your future career and all those other details you need to know. Now, one last time, back to the home page. Let's see what you learned. Let me ask you, how could you find out the timeline of the space race between Russia and America? Go ahead and pause the video and try for yourself. I will demonstrate for you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Okay. This is how you find a space race timeline using Facts on File. First, go to the science and mathematics topic. Once there, you can scan either the general timeline using the resources to the right, but these are all very broad and very general. Since you are looking for something specific, you can use the search bar at the top. So type in space race, and there you see you get articles, images, videos, and timelines. This resource will give you a specific and detailed timeline, just what you were looking for. Well, this concludes the Facts on File tutorial. The presentation capturing and editing was done by Alicia Moore. The presentation was created using PowerPoint software and access to the Facts on File database from San Antonio Christian School. Thank you for watching.